Okay. So, gawa tayo ng, I want you to get your own copies. So, sabi dito, journalize the following business transactions in general journal form. So, post the journal entries. Pangatlo, prepare the trial balance. Tapos, ilagay on a clean sheet of paper and submit before the allotted time for the exam. So, sige, start tayo. December 1. Ano palagi ang entries kapag merong investment ng cash, lagay natin December, transfer natin, December. December 1, wait lang, urong ko lang. Okay, December 1, Love Velayo invest 500,000 peso cash in the business, therefore cash. Lagay ko na lang dito class 500,000. And then credit, of course, Veloso Style Capital. 500,000 pesos. Tama? Ganyan palagi ang entries. Kapag cash ang ininvest niya, debit cash, credit capital. So, to record the initial investment of the owner in the business. Okay, next, December 13. Okay, sundan nyo class ha, you can copy it. Okay, mayor's permit and other licenses are paid. Okay, taxes and licenses. Pwede ring permits and licenses, and these are expense. Okay, 12,000 pesos. Credit what? Pag may payment, credit cash. Same amount, 12,000 pesos. To record the payment of the permit through cash. May question po ba? May question ba? Wala naman. So far, parehas ba ng entries? Yung sa inyo? Okay. Ayan, ganyan palagi ha. Pag meron kayo nakikita na binayaran ni business, ilagay nyo yon sa debit. Okay? Kung may binayaran. Tapos check nyo ano yung ilalagay sa credit, kung ano yung term or mode ng kanyang payment. Ano yung nabawasan. Siyempre, nagbayad siya through cash, therefore credit cash. Okay? Next, 14. The following are bought for cash. The following are bought for cash. Paano yan? So, dental equipment, 280,000 pesos. Debit ulit, furniture, and fixtures, 42,000 pesos ang kanyang furniture and fixtures worth. Then, meron din siyang dental supplies. Magkano yung kanyang dental supplies? 15,000 pesos. Okay, ano yung kanyang credit entry? This is cash. Cash, yung total ng 280 plus 42 plus 15, that is how much? 280, 320, to 337. Tama? 337,000. Okay. Next, lagyan lang natin ng explanation to record the investment. Investment din yan or ayaw nyo investment, pwede rin. To record the assets bought in the business through cash. Next, 16. The rental for space occupied is paid. Therefore, rent, expense, how much yung kanyang payment? 36,000 pesos ang rent expense. And then credit cash, same amount, 36,000 pesos. To record the payment of rent, space through cash. 17, dental services rendered for cash. Dental services, okay, on this transaction, the business rendered their service sa kanilang clients. Therefore, it will increase their cash. Magkano yung increase ng cash? 68,000 pesos. Credit. And then, anong reason bakit nag-increase yung cash nila? Is that they render their service through service income or dental service income. Ang amount ay 68,000 pesos. So, to record the services rendered the cash received, yan na lang, through services rendered. Next, 23. 23 pays the monthly salary of clinic attendant 15,000 pesos. Okay? Pays, ibig sabihin, expense ito ng business. Ito ilalagay on the debit side and this is salaries and wages. Expense, magkano yung sweldo? 15,000 pesos. And therefore, credit cash 15,000 pesos to record the payment of salaries through cash. And then, last 27, bills clients for dental services rendered on account basis. Okay, pag nagsisend pa lang, okay? Pag kayo yung, okay, point of view nyo, kayo yung owner, magsisend pa lang kayo ng bill sa inyong mga kliyente or customers, wala pa silang payment, entries must be accounts receivable, okay? Kasi in the future pa lang makaka-receive kayo. Kaya accounts receivable, 27,000. Credit, okay? Anong reason para dito sa accounts receivable na marireceive nyo? Okay, this is through service income. 27,000 pesos. To record bills sent to clients for the services rendered to them through account to them through account. Okay. 27,000. Next, we need to wait lang po. Yeah, dalawa pa lang 17. Yeah, sige, thank you. Sige, move lang natin. Insert lang tayo ng insert. Okay, another one. Thank you. Ms. 17, again, meron pa business borrowed money from Bank XYZ, 300,000 pesos. Okay, pag naghihiram ng money yung business sa bangko, okay, and then the business granted the business money or qualified daw yung business, therefore it will increase the business cash 300,000 pesos. Pero credit accounts payable 300,000 pesos. Liability account, ang accounts payable, tama? It should be listed sa credit side if it increase, di ba? Accounts payable, liability account. So to record the money borrowed from Bank XYZ. Then, isa-isahin natin. Start tayo sa cash. Dito na lang. Pwede ko na siguro to i-close. Hindi ba tayo mahirapan? Sige po. Cash, so 500,000. Ito po yun ha, nasa left side. 500,000 pesos. Next, check ulit tayo ng cash. Ito, 12,000 pesos. Nasa left, nasa right yan, sorry. 12,000 pesos. Next, ito ulit, cash credit, 300. Yan. 37,000 pesos. Next, we have this one, credit cash, 36,000 pesos. Next, ito naman, 17. Nasa debit side, 68,000 pesos. 68,000 pesos. Okay, nandito na tayo, 17. Next, ito, 300,000 pesos, nasa left side. Next, cash ulit. This one, 15,000 pesos. Okay, and ayan. 500 plus 68,000 plus 300,000, we have 868,000 pesos. And then this one, 337. 7. Calculate lang tayo para mabilis. 12 plus 337 plus 36 plus 15, we have 400. Tama? 400,000. Pare-pares tayo, class. And then minus, we have 468. Next. Sige, capital naman tayo. Wait lang. Let me... Ng class. Ang hirap sa mag-type ng... I know. Ay, hindi pwede isend sa GC. Kasi hindi pa nag-send. Okay, sige. Continue na lang tayo. Kaya lang, hindi kaya nito. Saan ba tayo pwede maglagay? Kaya dito, ang hirap kasi. Sige. Kaya yan. Sige. Capital. Ito na. So, capital, 500,000. Ito ha, class, sundan nyo ha, capital, and then check pa tayo ng iba pa. Wala naman, no? So, isa lang siya, 500,000. Tindang natin. Cross. Ayan, 500,000. Next. Taxes and licenses. And licenses, expense. Ito, 12,000 pesos. 12,000 pesos. Next. Next. Dental equipment or PPE for property, plant, and equipment yan, class. Property, plant, and equipment. Yan kasi yung ano niya yung parang general term. General term siya. Or equipment, pwede rin dental equipment. So, 280,000 pesos. Next, furniture and fixtures. Furniture and fixtures, 42,000 pesos. Next, dental supplies. Uh, 15,000 pesos. Ay. Nasusundan nyo pa, class? Nasusundan nyo ba? Ayan, medyo mahirap lang mag-type ha. Ipakita yung answers. Next, after dental supplies, we have rent expense. Rent expense, nasa left side, so 36,000 pesos. Next, cash, meron na tayo. Okay, this one, service income. Service income. Nasa credit side. Nandito na ako, class, ha. 68,000 pesos. 68,000 pesos. Next. Accounts payable. Accounts payable, 300,000 nasa liability account. Nasa right side. Next. Salaries and wages. And the wages, it is an expense. Debit side, 15,000 pesos. Okay, and then accounts receivable, 27,000. And then, isa pang service income, 27,000 pesos. Insert na lang ako dito. 20, ay wait. Insert. Gagal ako kasi. So, 27,000 pesos. So, add lang natin yan. We have 595. Oops. Ito pala. 95,000 pesos. Tama ba? Pareha sa inyo, ang service income, 95,000 pesos. Paki-check nga. Parehas ba? Service income, 95,000 pesos. Parehas. Next. Kaya pa ng time? Sige, kaya pa. Trial balance na tayo. Trial balance. Okay, start tayo sa cash natin. We have cash. The most liquid, kunin nyo yan, yung current asset. Cash yon. Cash, magkano yung ating cash? We have... we have 468 for 68,000 pesos. Next. Yan, coloran natin. Pagtapos na. Next, asset. Check tayo ng asset na current. This one, accounts receivable. Accounts receivable, we have 27,000 pesos. 27,000 pesos. Next, debit to ha, lahat ng nasa left side. Accounts receivable, yan, coloran natin. Tapos na din yan, we have itong tatlo. PPE, furniture and fixtures, and dental supplies. These are all non-current assets. Pero kasama yan dyan, PPE. Nagde-depreciate kasi yan, class ha. Tandaan nyo lagi yun. Non-current assets or long-term assets depreciate kaya after a year pa nadedetect yung talagang value. Okay. PPE, we have 280,000 pesos. Next, furniture and fixtures. We have 42,000 pesos. And then the dental supplies. We have, magkano dental supplies natin? 15,000 pesos. Okay, next. Sige, lagyan natin siya ng color, material expense, dental supplies, furniture, tapos na, PPE, tapos na. Then, let's move to this one, liability, accounts payable. Accounts payable. Okay, nasa credit side yan. 300,000. Accounts payable. Okay, tapos na rin. Next, we have, meron pa ba tayong liability? Wala na. Let's move to the, ito. Capital muna pala. Capital, 500,000. Capital. Credit side yan, we have 500,000 pesos. Next. So, tapos na rin yung capital. Let's move to the, revenue, which is service income. Service income. Magkano yung service income? Credit side, 95,000 pesos. 95,000 pesos. And then lahat ng expenses natin. And these are rent expense, ano pa? Salaries and wages, expense, and meron pang isang expense. Meron pa ba? This one, service income, okay na. Taxes and licenses. Taxes and licenses. Expense din yan. So yung rent natin, debit yan, 36,000 pesos. Next, salaries and wages. Magkano yung salaries natin? 15,000. And then taxes and licenses, we have 12,000 pesos. And then we have total. Tama ba class sa inyo? Sige, let's compute. 468. Pwede na lang tayo ng yung hundreds and thousands place in 10,000s kasi wala naman tayo. Ito nakikita nyo, puro zero, right? O, puro zero yan. 468 plus 27 plus 280 plus 42 plus 15 plus 36 plus 15 plus 12. 895.
Users are placed by the design but run to the content.
And then this one, then 895.
Should act as a conduit between the user and information.
Okay. May question? Meron bang clarification? Ayan. May nakapag-balance class sa inyo? May nakapag-balance. May question po? To those who have yung mga questions nila for corrections, if considered ba yon, paki-message na lang sa messaging. So, if I'm not mistaken, per steps in the accounting are 10 points. So, 10 points para dito sa journal entries, 10 points yan. 10 points din para sa posting dito sa ledger, 10 points din yan. And for the trial balance, 10 points automatically. I give you point na, let's say, mali yung amounts, I gave you 20 points at kaagad. Okay, kahit mali yung amounts. 20 points kaagad. So, 20 over 30 yan para sa problem solve. Okay.